Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
I'm Devera Sinta Ananda from class K519. Now I will explain an article entitled EFL Student Speaking Motivation in Speaking for Informal Interaction class at English Department UNP. What is the purpose of this article? This study aims to determine the level of speaking motivation of EFL students. The sample of this study consists of 31 students who had attended the informal speaking interaction class at the English department of UNP for the 2019 academic year. And next, the second is about the expert opinion about English according to Maulana Wahyuni and Sirega. English is a consideration to face the new globalization. People who cannot speak English will be left far behind even to achieve success. Next, we will talk about the motivation for learning English. First, according to Darny said that motivation is an effort made to create a certain situation so that someone has a desire to do something that can be obtained from external or internal factors. Meanwhile, according to Siska, motivation is a very important aspect that can help students to speak English as a foreign language. The next is the methods used for data collection. This research is a survey research by distributing questionnaire adapted from the Attitude Motivation Test Batra. The questionnaire consists of 30 questions consisting of extrinsic and intrinsic factors. And next, we continue about the result of student speaking motivation. Respondents of this study were students of class K519 who had taken the 2019 English department speaking for informal interaction subject at UNP. Let's look the table of descriptive statistic from the speaking motivation data. In the table of the speaking motivation data, it can be seen that the sample is 31 students. The minimum score for student answer is 0.1. Point 1 is strongly disagree, point 2 disagree, and point 3 neutral. 40 students answered that the minimum score was 0.1. 11 students answered that the minimum score was 0.2. And 6 students answered that the minimum score was 0.3. For the maximum score, all student answer are 0.5, strongly agree. From the data above, it can be conclude that 9 students with a mean range of the next is discussion and conclusion. The conclusion of an article is the level of speaking motivation K519 student speaking motivation level in speaking for informal class interaction is a high level of motivation. There are 22 students in this class who have a high level of motivation, 9 of whom have a moderate level of motivation. In terms of motivation to speak, there are no students who have a low level motivation to speak. This is because the sample of this research is a new students, so it has a high score, enthusiasm, and motivation to learn and practice their abilities. Maybe that's all. Can I say any questions so far?
No, ma'am. You have presented amazingly, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I want to ask you about the presentation.
Silakan, Nata.
All right. I want to ask you, does a researcher collect data only by questionnaire? Thank you.
Okay. I think I think no, because the researchers can collect data in various ways, such as observation, interview, study of literature, and document study. Gimana, Tah?
Okay. I understand. I understand about your explanation. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, maybe that's all can I say. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Jadi